Stop believing the myth that drinking bowls of bone broth or taking expensive collagen supplements is a guaranteed fix for your aching knees. The viral trend of eating collagen to fix collagen is misleading millions. And today, I'm going to reveal the scientific truth that your doctor might not have mentioned. While these supplements contain the building blocks, your body doesn't simply transport them directly to your joints like a delivery truck. In fact, without the right activation keys, most of that expensive collagen is simply wasted by your digestive system. If you are over 50 and still struggling with that persistent grinding sound in your hips or stiffness in your hands, you are likely missing the crucial metabolic signals required to actually repair cartilage. Before we uncover the power trio of nutrients that force your body to rebuild its own structural foundation, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here, we break down complex longevity science into life-changing habits. Today, we are moving beyond basic advice. I will show you why your current diet might actually be sabotaging your recovery, and how a few specific science-backed adjustments can flip the switch on natural tissue regeneration. It's time to stop guessing and start giving your skeletal system the exact biological commands it needs to stay fluid, strong, and completely pain-free. To understand why your joint recovery has stalled, we must look at the complex biological journey of protein. When you consume collagen, whether from a supplement or a slow-simmered bone broth, your stomach acid and enzymes immediately begin breaking it down into tiny fragments called amino acids. Your body does not recognize these as joint tissue yet. It simply sees them as raw materials. Think of it like receiving a delivery of individual bricks when you actually need a finished wall. The most significant challenge for seniors is that, with age, our natural construction crew, the cells called chondrocytes, become sluggish. Without a specific biological signal, your body might use those amino acids to repair skin, grow hair, or support internal organs, instead of sending them to your damaged knees or hips. Furthermore, joints are non-vascular tissues, meaning they lack a direct blood supply. This makes it incredibly difficult for nutrients to penetrate the dense cartilage matrix. This is exactly why simply eating more isn't the answer. You must create a high-pressure environment for nutrient delivery through movement and specific cofactors. Most people fail because they ignore the metabolic gatekeepers, like insulin levels and vitamin coenzymes, that dictate where these proteins actually go. If your systemic inflammation is high, your body will prioritize fighting that fire rather than rebuilding your joints. To stop wasting your money and time, you must learn how to direct these raw materials to the areas that need them most. Now we move to the power trio of nutrients that act as the master architects for your skeletal system. The first essential pillar is vitamin C, which most people mistake for just an immune booster. In reality, vitamin C is the primary biological spark plug for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body physically cannot cross-link amino acids into the tough, fibrous strands that make up healthy cartilage. It is the difference between having loose threads and a woven rope. Next, we must focus on the critical minerals copper and zinc. These act as the structural glue, ensuring that once collagen fibers are formed, they remain bonded together to withstand the heavy pressure of your daily movements. Seniors are often chronically deficient in these trace minerals, leading to brittle joints that wear down faster than they can repair. Finally, we have organic sulfur, often found as MSM. Think of sulfur as the Velcro that holds your connective tissue's water-holding molecules in place. This is what keeps your joints hydrated, bouncy, and shock-absorbent. When you combine these three, vitamin C from citrus or peppers, zinc from seeds or seafood, and sulfur from garlic and cruciferous vegetables, you are finally giving your body the commands to stop wasting nutrients and start rebuilding. You are no longer just eating food. You are providing a high-precision toolkit to your cells, allowing them to weave a new, resilient foundation for your mobility that can endure for decades to come. Beyond just adding the right nutrients, you must identify the collagen thieves that are actively destroying your joint tissues from the inside. The most dangerous enemy is high sugar intake, which leads to a biological process called glycation. When your blood sugar is consistently elevated, sugar molecules attach themselves to your collagen fibers, turning them brittle, stiff, and prone to snapping. This process essentially caramelizes your joints, making them lose their natural elasticity and cushioning. For seniors, this is a silent disaster because it accelerates the wear and tear regardless of how many supplements you take. Another major thief is chronic stress, which floods your body with the hormone cortisol. High cortisol levels act like a biological corrosive, breaking down protein structures and preventing your body from entering the repair mode needed to fix cartilage damage. Furthermore, poor sleep quality stops the production of growth hormones that are vital for tissue regeneration. If you are constantly stressed and eating hidden sugars, you are essentially pouring water into a leaking bucket. To truly heal, you must plug these leaks by managing your insulin levels and prioritizing deep, restorative rest. By removing these destructive forces, you finally give your joints the clean environment they need to utilize the power trio of nutrients we discussed. This is the only way to ensure that your body's internal repair shop can function at its maximum capacity, protecting your independence and movement for the long term. To truly unlock the healing power of your food, you must master the art of preparation and timing. If you choose to make bone broth at home, the secret isn't just in the simmering. It's in adding a tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar. This acidic environment is crucial because it acts as a key to unlock and pull essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus out of the bone and into the liquid.
There you go, honey.
Without this simple step, you are leaving the most valuable nutrients behind. Furthermore, never consume your collagen-rich meals alone. To maximize absorption, you should always pair them with a source of vitamin C, such as a squeeze of fresh lemon or a side of steamed greens. This creates a biological synergy that tells your body to start building tissue immediately. Another vital secret for seniors is the concept of loading. Research suggests that performing light, low-impact movements, like gentle knee circles or walking, about 30 to 60 minutes after consuming these nutrients, can help pump the fluid into your non-vascular joint tissues. This mechanical tension acts as a signal, directing the blood flow and nutrients exactly where the damage is located. By combining the right preparation with strategic timing and light activity, you are no longer just eating. You are performing a targeted medical intervention.
was delicious, though.
This holistic
We should have
approach
dessert more often.
ensures that every penny you spend on quality food translates into real, tangible strength for your knees, hips, and spine. As we wrap up today's deep dive, please remember that your joint health is not determined by a single magic pill, but by the consistent biological environment you create every day.
Enjoying the sunset too.
You now understand that simply eating collagen isn't enough. You must provide the activation keys, manage your insulin, and protect your body from the thieves of stress and sugar. Your mobility is the very foundation of your freedom and your ability to enjoy your golden years with those you love. Do not accept persistent pain as an inevitable part of aging when nature has provided such a precise and powerful toolkit for restoration.
Do you see the color of that?
I challenge you to start today by making one small change. Perhaps adding that squeeze of lemon to your meals, or replacing a sugary snack with a bowl of antioxidant-rich berries. These small, science-backed decisions compound over time, turning a stiff, painful skeletal system into a resilient and fluid one. If you found this information eye-opening, please share this video with a friend or family member who is tired of struggling with joint stiffness. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of individuals dedicated to aging with strength and vitality. Your journey to a pain-free life is a marathon, not a sprint, and I am honored to support you every step of the way.
So good that we could all
Thank you
make it
for
out
watching.
today.
Keep moving with purpose, and I will see you in our next video to uncover more secrets of longevity.